All right, so for this one, again, we have to make the decision. Remember, the relationship is pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So we could do pi over 180 or 180 over pi. So because they gave us degrees, we want degrees on the bottom because my goal is to cancel out the degrees. So this is 180 and this is pi in radians. So if I say 2,000 over 180 times pi radians, I just need to reduce that fraction. Well, I know that 20 goes into both of those. So if I reduce that by 20, 20 times what gives me 2,000? Is it 100? And then 20 times 9, right, gives me 180, right? We'll double check this on the calculator. Is that right? Yeah. So then that's pi radians. Now we want to leave it as an exact value, but is there another way that we could have done this? So let's do it on the calculator first real quick. So if I say 2,000 divided by 180, I'll get a decimal. And then I'm going to convert that, right? If I hit math, convert it to a fraction, and I get 100 over 9. Yes?
You just type it in like the calculator, like 2005 times divided by 180, and then you just get 34.906.
It shouldn't be 34.
And you get the same thing if you do 100 pi divided by 9.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see what you're saying, and put the pi in. No, all right, that's a great question. So when we do things in radians, we want it to be the exact value. We don't want it to be a decimal. So the question was, can we just plug it in the calculator? And when you multiply this by pi, you end up with like 34 point something something. And is that okay? And the answer is no, that's not okay. We want pi. We need to leave that as pi, as the Greek symbol pi, because that's the exact value. That's the accepted practice. Yes, question? Oh, sure. So when I do this, if I go 2,000 divided by 180, your calculator by default will spit out the decimal. So one of the things your calculator can also do is take it and change the decimal into a fraction. So what you want to do is see this button here that says math. If you hit the math button, the very first option is converting to a fraction. So when I hit enter, what it's doing is it's going to take automatically, when you put it in that way, it'll say take the answer, which is this 11.11111 repeating, and convert it into a fraction. So now when I hit enter, well, bam, with the bacon sizzle, I get 100 over 9. Did that work?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's how we want to leave it. Now, really, truthfully, that's it. We're done with